after looking the recursion function, lambda function, mapping function in Python, let us we will see about file input and output. So I will be go through this folder location, and I have some material, and here I have kept some of the material at here. So here you can see I have one text file example, and in the text file it is written become masters in programming. Okay, now we want to read this text file from this location. So how we can do it? We can go to the file input and output, then after program will be create to write something from the file, and from the file something we can modify. So both can be done, input and output. So let first we have to use the open function. Which one will be used to create or open the file? So let's say for opening a file we will use the open function. Now why open function is used? Open function is used to open the file. Simple. So file is equal to open, and in the single quotes or double quotes you can mention example.txt, and this is the R means read. So let me run this. So as you can see the file is reading, example.txt file we are going to read. Now to read the any file we will have the function of read, R. The read method reads the string from an open file. So file is equal to open example.txt read, and let's say we want to read the file. So text is equal to file.read open parenthesis close parenthesis, and if we want to print, so print of text, so that entire line will be read. Okay, that is become masters in programming. Now we want to read with character length. So let's say same operation, file is equal to open example.txt with read, but this time text file dot read up to 4, and we want to print the text. So as you can see BECO 0 1 2 3 up to 4 character, or we can say 1 2 3 4 character, it will be printing out. Now we want to print or read the entire line. So file is equal to open example.txt read text file dot read line. So entire line will be read, and we want to print the entire line. Okay, so as you can see become masters in programming. Then after modes of opening file we will have read, R means opening file for the reading, W opening file for the writing, A opening file for the appending, and plus opening file for the updating. So let us we will see about the writing. So the write method writes any string to an open file. So the write method does not add new line character at the end of the string. So something says suppose we want to add into the character, so it will not add new character to the end of the string, does not add a new line. Okay, so let's say file open, we are opening the same file, and what we are writing, we are writing that the weather today is good backslash and yes it is good. Okay, and if we will append this file with some different text, here if I am going to this location, as you can see right now the file is empty, and if you want to write anything in this file, you can see we can uh, write, that is file is equal to open example.txt with append, and we want to write Pandit Ashish hyphen Python, and same thing we can mention it here by read method, and we want to read. So yes, as you can see, thus yes the weather is good. Then after next line, yes it is good. Then after next line, Pandit Ashish hyphen Python, that has been read twice, because one time you are writing it here, another time you are writing it here. If you want to use plus, that is updating, okay, write with updating. So become masters in programming. So that one will be becoming the new file, and then after example.txt read, as you can see, become masters in programming. Now if you close the file, file is equal to sorry, file dot close, and if you again read the same file, it will be give you the message or empty, because you know message, because you have closed the file, so you cannot be able to read that file. So to read that file, you need to again open the file. File is equal to open example.txtr, and you can read close as per your requirement. So this is how you can use input and output operation into the Python.